Okay, this is our barbecued cinnamon bun.
Okay.
It's like really good.
I know you can't smell it, people, but it smells really bad.
Yeah.
It's really hard.
Oh God. We put it in there only for like 2 minutes, and it was like steaming. I'm like, yo.
Take a good view.
Good view.
It's nice and hard, so yeah, it doesn't
And
fall
it's
off
burnt.
the plate. Yeah, so
we had to spray Lysol on it.
and oh yeah, you can't smell it, but it smells really bad.
Don't stick that on my camera.
Now, part 2.
What?
If I can get this off the fork. Jeez.
Yeah, you're spraying me.
Oh my god.
It's like
Okay.
It's falling.
The cinnamon bun. The icing. Hard. Yeah.
Really
Hard. Oh, it's cracking. Amazing. Yeah. This is. Yeah. The cracking icing of sugar and whatever else icing is made out of.
Yeah.
And the remainder of the cinnamon bun. It was in the microwave for
Only about
I don't
2
know,
minutes.
but it's really black and it's burnt. And it's really hard. You can't see that either, but like maybe you can tell how hard it is by how I crashed